Oh, well, hello. Hi. That was a little rough. We had some issues there, but we are back. We are live, and everything is going well now. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Just everyone hold on for today. It's going to be a great challenge, and everything is going to go amazing. And we're going to have smiles the whole time. Hi. Hello. Let me know where you all are watching from. It's always an absolute joy to see you here. And here, where is here? That's the big question. Here is the Daily Creative Challenge for Adobe Illustrator. Today's the first day. It's the intro day, so we're just gonna vibe. We're gonna keep it positive, and that's really the theme for today. And yes, no tiny hands today. We'll get there eventually. And hello from France, Cleveland, Brampton. Where's Brampton? That's CDA. I don't know where CDA is. Let me know where that is. Austria, Germany. My goodness, you guys are all over. That's awesome. It's great to see you. Hello. My name is Andrew Hawkrattle, right up there. That's my name. It's pronounced Hawk and Rattle. Oh, let's cover the screen that you're not seeing. You can follow along on the internet right there, hawk.co here on Behance, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you want to follow along, you can do that. So let's talk a little bit about what we are doing right now. That was a lot of claps. Right now, it is the Daily Creative Challenge for Adobe Illustrator. And guess what? We'll be here every single day for the next 2 weeks. And here's something really special. If you're watching this on the Creative Replay, right? So there's some of us that are live here at the end of April. Hi, chat. Hello, end of April. This is going to go on Creative Replay in May. So if you're watching the second week of May, hello, welcome to the Daily Creative Challenge. We'll be giving you all something very special each lesson to try to get a little bit extra. If you're watching it in the original, tune in for the Creative Replay. There will be some extra content that you can circle back along. And if you're watching Creative Replay, let me introduce you to our friend Wade Acuff. And if you're here today, hi Wade. Wade is going to be our moderator both for the Daily Creative Challenge and the Creative Replay. And so if you are here and you have questions, go ahead and ask Wade. If you are hanging out for the Creative Replay, Wade may have some extra little fun for you. So stick around and chat and engage there. And yes, send a message to future. Oh, I like that. So here's my message to Andrew in the future. Hi, Andrew. Thanks for watching the Creative Replay and being involved. I hope things are going great and the last 2 weeks were amazing and that you put more happiness into the world than was there before. And for you, if you're watching the Creative Replay, let me know something that you have learned in the last 2 weeks. So that would be really fun. So stick around for that Creative Replay and watch again coming up then. So what is the Daily Creative Challenge? We've talked a lot and we still haven't talked about what this is. It is something every single day here at 11:30 p.m. Pacific Standard, or sorry, 11:30 Pacific Standard Time. Where we learn a little bit about Adobe Illustrator and learn something new. So we're gonna go ahead and hop over here, and this is where you can get involved. Oh, I had a transition for this that I forgot. We'll do it. Let me go ahead and shuffle on over to our Daily Creative Challenge page. There we go. Not worth it. This is our Daily Creative Challenge page, and here's where you can find all the information about the Daily Creative Challenges. It is just behance.net/challenge/Illustrator. That is the place that you can be, and our friend Wade, I'm sure, will be dropping links in there. You also can go to the button up above and check it out there. Worth it. Thank you. So here's where you can take the challenge, and this is the place that will be our home for the next 2 weeks, right? We'll set up a little shop, we'll start a fire, put down a little rug. This will be our home. Behance.net/challenge/Illustrator. Just click on this Take the Challenge button. If you click on the button, it is going to notify you every single day with a nice little ding bell. And that bell will show up both on Behance as well as on your Creative Cloud app. And it will remind you just each day that we are indeed having a new challenge. And as you scroll down here, you'll see that we will unlock these challenges each day. Now, if you've never done a challenge with me, we always have a theme. This time's theme is a little It's a little out there, but it's going to be really fun. We're going to have a great time. We actually have 2 themes, one for first week, one for second week. And if you have any guesses, go ahead and put them in chat. The purpose of the themes is to help you kind of just track along and do these challenges along with us. Each day we have a new one, and we will do that together, but I hope that you can explore on your own and learn Illustrator at your own pace, kind of finding things that you are passionate about. Now, these challenges, there's no wrong answers. Right? We can do whatever we want. Tiny hands, tiny hands, tiny hands. We've done outer space. Okay. Terry, you're doing pretty good there. Megan actually got it. I didn't think that anyone would get it, but Megan, you actually got the theme. And I guess we'll just talk about it. It is April showers versus May flowers. It felt right. So we'll be doing April showers and then May flowers. So it is going to be very spring, very fun. And we're going to be talking about my favorite things to do during the rainy season as well as in spring. So just keep in mind, what are your favorite things to do during those seasons? And we will be having a bunch of fun in Illustrator learning those things. And coughing, my goodness. So you can scroll down and see all of our creative challenges that are happening here. And at the very bottom, check this out. I don't think a lot of people know this, but if you continue to scroll, you can see past challenges. You can hang out with our friend Julia Masalska, our friend Paul Tranny. Who else is? Claudia does these. So you can hang out and meet them and work on some past challenges. You also can download Adobe Illustrator. If you don't have it, I believe there are some promotions happening. I believe there's some promotions happening with the Creative Cloud suite right now, so you can check that out. And you also can join our Discord community. Our Discord community's pretty great. It's kind of the best. And if you're not a part of the Discord community, you definitely should be a part of the Discord community. So it's somewhere that you can get connected, you can get feedback, and that's really where everything is going to happen for these daily creative challenges. You want to get connected. Wade is going to, yes, drop that link. He already has it. Wade doesn't need our help. And our Discord community is right here. bit.ly/AI Discord. Man, I'm having so much fun with my standing desk today. bit.ly/AI Discord. That's the place to be. And let's fix that. Oh, you guys got a little snippet. You got a little secret snippet. Oh, I punched my mic. We're falling apart very slowly, but steadily. That's what counts. So you can go and get connected right up here, and our bit.ly link takes you right here. This is our Discord. This is where we get all of our work posted, and we get reviews from our reviewers. We have a bunch of awesome mentors in here. We've got Jack. Hi, Jack. Jack's in chat as well. We've got Julia, Randall, our friend Rocky, and our good friend Ryan. We love Ryan Selvey. So you can post your work here in Discord to get some feedback. I'll be in here giving you feedback. We may even go live and do some fun live streams on my Behance right over here. Just go to behance.com/hawk.co. And we may go live there to do some live reviews and hang out with your work. It looks like there's some stuff happening from last week. This looks incredible. Looks like you were doing some branding stuff, like lots of type work. Looking good. Ooh, t-shirts. This is fun. So you want to post your work here on the Discord, and it's the place to be. If you have questions, if you have anything, go ahead and put them there in the Discord. And again, that link is right here, bit.ly/AI Discord. Wade, yes, Wade is dropping those links as well. All right, let's see. Let's do this. Yeah, let's do this. So we are going to continue and hop in. What I want to do is we have done, usually on the first day, we've made like a title card, right, for what the challenge is. Today, I want to go a little bit off book. We're going to do something a little bit different. I think it's going to be fun. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up a Behance case study for our daily creative challenges over the next week. So a lot of people always have the question, how do I tag things? How do I post on Behance? And I'm going to walk you through the beginning, and we're going to make a draft so that we can make a title card, but we're just going to map out using guides where our projects are going to go. And from there, we can start a draft in Behance, be ready to go as we put those in, and it's going to be a fun time. And yes, there is something new starting just in 12 minutes. I believe that there is another stream right after this one, so stick around for that. All right, let's go ahead and hop over into our favorite program. We're quite partial here on this stream. Adobe Illustrator. Hi, friend. Here in Adobe Illustrator, once you get started and open the program, if you don't know about it, Illustrator is for vectors, and vectors are basically mathematically made. They're paths. So it's basically, instead of using pixels, it is using math and vector lines to keep things crisp and incredibly scalable. So here, check it out. We've got a whole bunch of resources. If you want to learn more, you can click on that Learn tab. So I'm just going to go to File, New, and that is going to open up our dialog box to get started. We are going to go to Pixels, and we're going to set this up to 1920 by 1080. That is just a standard size for what an artboard should be, and the artboard is just the area that we are working. So we are going to hit Create. That was a good sound effect. I liked that one. And here is our artboard. This is where we were going to be working. This is where all the magic happens. So what we're going to do, because we're going to go really quick today, is I am just going to use Illustrator to put some type down. Easy today. But here's the challenge. Make sure you tune in for the creative replay, and while I'm doing this, your challenge in the future is going to be to put your projects into this and publish your case study on Behance. So we are just going to put Illustrator Daily Creative Challenge, and I'm using the type tool right here. I'm just going to click and type in Illustrator, yes, Daily Creative Challenge. Y'all, I will never spell anything right. And we're going to use the scale tool right over here just to scale that up nice and big. We'll align it to the center and then use the align tool to just align it to the center right there. Now, this is placeholder because I am going to come back to it. So we're going to make it hot pink because nothing in my designs is ever hot pink. I always make my placeholders hot pink. So hot pink. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of just put in some boxes. And what this is going to do is it's going to tell me where my challenges are going to go in the future. So I'm going to place these kind of around. And I did that by using this rectangle tool over here, just hitting M. And I'm kind of just placing these around. I'm copy and pasting so that I have the different projects. And then I am hitting R for rotate and just kind of clicking around. Maybe one will be a circle. So we're going to use the circle tool over here, the ellipse tool. Maybe we'll have another one that's a circle. And then maybe a couple more down here that are just little boxes kind of showing off those slides. So this is ugly. It looks terrible. Who cares? That's fine. So we're going to go to export, and we are going we're going to do export as. And let's go ahead and save this. Sure, right there. And we're just going to do this as placeholder. And do as I say, not as I do. Save this somewhere that is correct. I'm going to save this as a PNG and just export using the range of 1. Now we're going to make sure that the background is white here. And that way having white background is going to make sure that it flattens down. And we're going to hit OK. It is going to float in a million tiny pieces above our head. And we are good to go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to sign in to Behance, but I am going to do that off screen real quick so you guys don't get my personal information. Let's go ahead and click right there. Oh, look, we're back. So I'm going to go to Create Project right there. And from here, this is where you start building a Behance project. And what we're going to do is we are going to start out by clicking on Create Project. It brings you to this screen, looks great. And we are going to hit Image. And this is going to put in our header image that we just made. Here's some branding work that I've been working on. We are going to make that header image and just select our ugly pink header image. And now it's in there, but this is just a placeholder. Again, we're just saving this as a draft. So we're just getting started. So as we start to work through, we can add in some type here, right? So maybe let's start typing the different challenges that we're going to be doing. So we'll put in a lesson here, and maybe you can type in during our creative challenges, I grew and challenged myself to learn Illustrator. So you can put in a little description here, and you can format this text if you want just by selecting it. You can change the font. So I like Bookman just because I think it's classy, and this is a classy stream. Okay, we are refined here in Adobe Illustrator for the daily creative challenges. And so you can place that there. And from here, maybe we want to do a photo grid. Maybe we want to do another photo in there. We can actually import from Lightroom. We can do video. We can do all kinds of stuff. But that's fine. We don't need that right now because we are just doing a placeholder. And yes, Umacorn, yes. Isn't there like an emoji like with a monocle? Can we get those in chat? So from here, we have our project. We're starting to set it up, right? We can go into settings and we can give this project a title. So I'm going to call this Illustrator. I say this word every time I spell it. And we're going to say DCC. And we're going to do showers versus flowers. There it is. There it is. There's that little monocle, man. What joy. And here, this is the place. Okay, hold on. Extreme close-up. This is the place that the tag goes. We always talk about the tag. Make sure you hashtag AI Daily Challenge in your project, okay? So I say that every time we do these, and it's always a question of where it goes. Right here. This is the place. This is the place that it goes, right? Hold on. I'm going to really do this one. Right here. Right here. This is the place that it goes. So that's where your project tags go. And we are going to type in the magic phrase, AI Daily, Daily Challenge. There we go. AI Daily Challenge. And from there, we can hit comma and it will make another one. Maybe we want to put in branding. Maybe we want to put in typography. Maybe we want to put in logo design. Maybe we want to put in textures. And if you're picking up on this, I don't know, maybe giving you a little preview as to what we'll be doing over these next few weeks. And here's one. Maybe we'll be talking about variables. Y'all. Variables, we don't need hashtags. No, you just type it in and you hit a little comma and it will hop it in right there. Also, if you have not heard of variables, okay, raise hands in chat if you have ever heard of variables, not variable fonts, variable fields in Illustrator. Raise hands in chats. I don't think that we're going to see a lot. That is going to be one of the best lessons that we teach here, and I think it's going to be really fun. It's super advanced and will save you a ton of time. That's coming up a little bit later. I believe next week in our spring, we'll be making a series of tags all at the same time. It's going to be really fun. So new things for you. And then we're also going to put in tools here. Guess what tool we're using? That's right, Adobe Illustrator all day, all the time. We're going to do graphic design. You can do different projects. You can do different categories. And from there, we are going to go to save as draft. Some hands and variables like data merge. Yes. So a lot of you, yes, it is like data merge in Illustrator or in InDesign, but it is in Illustrator. So basically you just, I'll describe it when we get there, but it's going to be a great time. Make sure you stick around for that one. It is the data stuff. We'll be using spreadsheets. How often do we use spreadsheets on Illustrator Daily Creative Challenge? And so we're going to go to save as draft. And from there, it will save it for us. And now we have this draft saved and we can come back to it on the creative replay, which you are all tuning in for. And so I hope to see your case studies published, not today. Well, published in the future today, if that makes any sense. So we're started, we have something set up, and as we go through, we're just gonna click and we are gonna add in images for all of the different creative challenges that we've been doing. And yes, a lot of people scared of spreadsheets. Don't be scared, it's gonna be fun. All right, well, thanks for joining us. We've got a couple minutes left, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna walk you back through the steps, everything that's about to happen, the things that you need to do. Let's go. Hi, my name's Andrew Hawkrattle. You can follow along. Nope, wrong button. Boom, right there. You can follow along right here, hawk.co on Behance or social media. If you want to get involved in our daily creative challenges, you can do that by going to behance.net/challenge/Illustrator. That was my That was my TikTok dance for the Illustrator Daily Creative Challenge link. behance.net/challenge/Illustrator. You're going to click on that button to take the challenge, and it will remind you every day in Behance as well as your as well as your Creative Cloud app. And from here, you can see all of the challenges. It will unlock tomorrow morning. You'll be seeing this challenge, which is going to be very fun. It might be relevant to some stuff that happened last weekend. It may be my favorite thing to do on a rainy day. So we'll be working on that tomorrow, which will be really fun. And then we'll have a new challenge every day. If you want to, you can download Illustrator to follow along. And you also can watch some old ones if you'd like a little jumpstart. If you're feeling like I didn't give you enough today, go pick one of these. Do one of these challenges. And then put it as your placeholder on your Behance case study that will be published today on the Creative Replay. You also can chat with the community. That's where our friends live. And yes, we are here in chat as well. But we're also over here on Discord. bit.ly/ oh, actually, let's give you that right there. bit.ly/AI Discord. Go ahead and put that up, and we'll take the challenge pop-up tomorrow. Yes, take the challenge. It is at the top, and it will pop up there for you tomorrow. It should be there today. It should be at the very top. So you can get involved in our Discord, and what you're going to do is you're going to make your challenges. You're going to post them here, and this is where you will get some awesome feedback and get connected with our community. So we'll be here every single day at 11:30 PST, that's Pacific Standard Time, behance.net/challenge. Actually, behance.net/live. You can just come there. And let's do this, chat. This is going to be a very special moment in our last minute. Let's go ahead and do some questions, but like we're having a conversation with future chat, right? So Creative Replay. So let's do that. Let's go into the future and say hi to the Creative Replay in the future. Hey, Creative Replay. Hey, chat. Nice to see you here on the Creative Replay. Wow, I'm so glad that this portion of the stream is live on the Creative Replay. How about that weather? It's wow. Can you believe that thing happened today? I can't either. Well, thanks for tuning in here to the live portion of our Creative Replay, and I'll see you again tomorrow at 11:30 Pacific Standard Time, Daily Creative Challenge. That wasn't a sentence, but we'll end with that. Bye.